Interested to know the benefits and uses of magical brown nuts for beauty hacks? Hi guys, welcome back to Nature's Secret World. I am Akdas Mohsin. Brown nuts, I mean almonds, that play such a holistic role in our daily lives. These magical brown nuts done a role that fit most of our everyday concerns. Almonds contain lots of healthy fats, fiber, protein, magnesium, vitamins and minerals. So, it is a all-rounder for our daily life to boost energy and immune system. It nourishes your skin and improve skin complexion. It can prevent skin problems like acne, dark spots and dark circles. Here are some easy ways you can include this magical nut in your everyday regime. Did you know that the nourishing fatty acids and vitamins in almonds can fight wrinkles, make your skin healthy and reduce signs of aging? Simply take 3 to 5 almonds in your everyday meal to make your skin healthy and beautiful. Almonds contain flavonoid. This component nourishes your skin and it is an anti-aging property for your skin. If you suffer from dry, flaky skin, so almonds could be answer. Almonds make dry skin supple and glowing. Simply massage 5 to 6 drops of almond oil all over your face for 5 minutes to improve blood circulation and retain its moisture. Before going to bed, it is essential part to remove makeup to prevent acne, pimple and breakout. Simply take few drops of almond oil as a makeup remover and gently wipe your face to washes away cosmetics, impurities and dirt from the surface of skin, which can cause extensive damage to your skin during night. If dry winter left you with frizzy and brittle hair, so you can use almond oil to regain healthy, shiny and frizz-free hair. Almond oil contains fatty acids, vitamin B7 and biotin, which helps to give your hair hydration and helps them to look shiny, healthy and strong. Almonds also make your hair super soft and silky. It can also help to protect your hair from sun damage with a natural SPF 5. Want to lighten the dark circles under your eyes and reduce under eye puffiness? The almond oil is the best way to get rid of this problem. Almond oil contains retinol, vitamin E and vitamin K, which make your under eye skin hydrated, smooth and reduce dark circles. Just take 2 to 3 drops of almond oil and apply on under eye area and massage it in a circular motion to increase blood circulation. Almonds contain L-carnitine and riboflavin, which helps in the growth of brain cells. Consuming 4 to 5 pieces of almonds every morning can help to boost brain power. Can you believe that? This magical nut full of nutrients. If we consume 28 gram of almonds every day, we take 6 gram of protein, 3.5 gram of fiber, 14 gram of fats and 37% of vitamin E, and it also contains a good amount of copper, vitamin B12 B12 and phosphorus. So, what are you thinking about? Go and get almonds for these healthy and simple beauty hacks. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for new videos.